Healthy fall recipes for seniors. Fall brings an abundance of seasonal produce and flavors that are not only delicious but also nutritious for seniors looking to maintain a healthy diet. Embrace the tastes of fall with these simple and wholesome recipes tailored for seniors. Roasted butternut squash soup. Ingredients: butternut squash, onion, garlic, vegetable broth, coconut milk, nutmeg, cinnamon, salt, and pepper. Apple cinnamon oatmeal. Ingredients: steel-cut oats, apples, cinnamon, almond milk, honey, and walnuts. Turkey and cranberry stuffed acorn squash. For this recipe, you'll need acorn squash, ground turkey, cranberries, quinoa, onion, garlic, sage, salt, and pepper. Pumpkin spice chia pudding. The ingredients you'll need are chia seeds, pumpkin puree, almond milk, maple syrup, and of course pumpkin pie spice. Brussels sprouts and cranberry quinoa salad. For this recipe, you'll want quinoa, Brussels sprouts, dried cranberries, almonds, lemon juice, olive oil, honey, salt, and pepper. These healthy fall recipes are designed to provide seniors with nutrient-rich meals that celebrate the seasonal flavors and ingredients. By incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into their diet, seniors can support their overall health, energy levels, and immune system during the fall season. Go ahead and experiment with these recipes, adapt them to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs, and enjoy the nourishing and comforting flavors of fall while nourishing your body with wholesome and satisfying meals. Remember to savor the seasonal ingredients and the joy of preparing and sharing delicious dishes with loved ones. Signal Health Group franchise.